Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So I am finally back with this tutorial. You remember this, didn't you? So in the last tutorial we made this thing, which was a simple platformer which doesn't even work that good. Now first thing you noticed is there is no scrolling. We straight up die like that. Yeah, there is no scrolling. So to make the scrolling we need some more tile sprites, which we will do like that, and we need a platformer at there, so that will do. Okay, now after doing that thing, you see that we have finally made a scroll, but that doesn't work because when we open the project, you see that there is no scrolling. See, there is no scrolling, it just ends there. So to do some scrolling, we need to go to the events. So we need to add a simple event and we need to add an action. I think so, at least. We can go in here in the other actions and you see there is one layer and camera. Now we need to do center and camera on an object. Now we need to choose an object. Now which is our platformer? This is our player. Now everything is okay. You need to do nothing and just click OK. Now see, the coding is in there. So when we go to the new scene page, then you see that the scrolling is finally happening. How to prove that? Yeah, we can prove it like that because we can now scroll thing, means you know what I am saying. Okay, so after doing that we need something else to do in this episode. So today we will make jump through platforms, and also I am trying to rename this. We will rename this as player because it is really confusing to see new objects, and also I am going to rename this and make it as a platform. Now you guys must say that we already named this in the previous tutorial. So what happened is I lost my project and I had to make the same type of project again. So don't worry, nothing has changed, everything is fine. So now we will add another object. We will go as sprite and we are going to add an animation and we are going to add it. And now I think it is in here, the new folder 2 maybe. Yeah, no, not at there. I think it is at here. I do not know where it is. There it is. That is our jump through platform. Now we need to add a behavior to it. We need to add a simple platform and then we are going to name the type as a jump through platform. Now it should work. Let's see. We will just put it at there. Let's see. No. Okay, the jump through platform is working. Now what is a jump through platform? You can actually jump through this platform and then land like a platform. But in these platforms you cannot really jump through. You have to jump like that. But in these jump through platforms you can just do that. Yeah. Now we are going to make a ladder. We will just give a tile sprite. We are going to give actually no, we are not going to give a tile sprite. We are going to edit the object. Actually I am going to delete this object. I am sorry guys, I am very sorry. Actually I did something wrong. We need to add another object now and we are going to name it a sprite and we are going to add an animation and we are going to add this. Now here I have a ladder thingy. There we go. Now when we are going to edit with pixel, whatever you are going to say, that we are going to go into rectangle selection at here and we are going to copy that, and then we are going to give cancel that scale or whatever you say that, and then we are going to give a rectangle selection to that and paste our ladders. We are going to save that, apply, and then delete this object. I know it is a bit complicated. Now the new object, we are going to rename the new object and call it as now we are going to add a behavior to the object. To add a behavior, we are just going to do that. And to go platform, we are going to go to ladder. And now when we do that, it seems like our ladder's hitbox is a little small, but don't worry, it is alright. And when we do that, it should work. So let's see if it works or not. Okay, jump to platform is working. Okay, definitely the ladder is definitely working. Okay, everything is working. Then we are going to add actually another platform, and again I am going to give a sprite and add an animation and add an and then I am going to add a platform as a crate. You can add your own animations or own things. You can download the assets from Kenny's website. I will give it a description below. I was going to say description below. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Platform. Give it is a platform. Now we are go after we have gave a platform, it will be a normal platform, and then we are going to apply. Now see, these platforms will actually add some environment to our game, because now you see our game is really bad. So we are going to fix that in other episodes of this series. Now see, everything works, and see, these also work as a platform. And when we go up the ladder, it is working as a platform. You see the crates are working perfectly. This will add our other obstacles in our course and add some environment to our course. Thank you. This is it for our video.